This is the area, Baku, Azerbaijan place where beach is there. I'm showing that one. You can see the beauty of the birds here. They're flying very comfortably.
Az.
Oh, restaurant.
Yeah, very good. We'll go.
Largest.
He is our guide. Say hi.
And this is the largest
Lake in the world.
And those are the three what
Towers of flame.
Towers of flame. Like a flame, it is coming in colors different, yellow color, whatever the color we can see there over there. And this is a wonderful view wherein we can see all the places, almost all the city of Baku. And there is the largest sea, the largest lake. There is a Caspian Sea. So silent it is, very nice. And here you can see wonderful views like buildings, tower, and good music. We can listen
In the background.
in the background. The restaurant Terikyu. The best part of this one is that the landscaping is natural landscaping is there, natural habitat. In the flames you can see the reflection of the building. We'll show that also to you. And here is our friend Bhargav Ram. They are shooting. Hi.
Наверху большой ресторан, который крутится на 360 градусов.
Exactly the top of this tower you can find the sun.